Welcome to NG's Corner for Nurses. Today we are here with the video of classification of bones. We can classify bones in different aspects according to shape, according to position, or according to structure, or according to ossification. But the most common classification is classification according to shape. Let's see what are in this video. According to shape, we can classify the bones like long bones, short bones, flat bones, sesamoid bones and irregular bones. In an adult human being, the average number of bones are 206. And as per classification, we can distribute the bones like this. Long bones 90, short bones 28, flat bones 36, sesamoid bones 4 and irregular bones 48. And the summation of this number is going to 206. First is long bones. Long bones are cylindrical in shape, being longer than it is wide. And we have to keep in mind that the term long describes the shape of a bone, not its size. It acts as levers. They move when muscles contract. And as an example, we can say that the bones of our upper extremity, lower extremity and the collar bones are the examples of long bones. Let's learn the name of the long bones in our body. First is two collar bones or clavicle. Next, in both upper extremities, there are two humerus, two ulna, two radius, 10 metacarpals and 28 phalanges. And in both lower extremities, two femur, two tibia, two fibula, 10 metatarsals and 28 phalanges. So, the total 90 long bones. Next is short bones. Short bones have cube-like shape and it approximately equal in length, width and thickness. And these bones provide stability, support while allowing for some motion. We can find the short bones in our wrist and ankles. Examples of short bones are the carpals of both upper extremities. Scaphoid 2, lunate 2, triquetrium 2, hamate 2, capitate 2, trapezoid 2 and trapezium 2. Pisiform is not included in the short bones. And the tarsals of both lower extremities. Tarsals include talus 2, navicular 2, cuboid 2, calcaneus 2 and medial cuneiform 2, intermediate cuneiform 2 and lateral cuneiform 2. So, the total number of short bones are 28 including the bones of carpals and the bones of tarsals. Next is flat bones. Flat bones are typically thin and it is also often curved. It serves as points of attachment for muscles and often protect the internal organs. In our body, in the rib cage and some bones of skull and scapula is known as a flat bones. Let's see the examples of flat bones. First is sternum or breastbone, that is 1 in count in our body. Then 24 ribs, 2 scapula and in the skull the flat bones are frontal bone 1, parietal bone 2, occipital bone 1, nasal bone 2, lacrimal bone 2 and vomer 1. So the total number of flat bones in our body are 36. Next is sesamoid bone. It is a small round bone and as the name suggests, It is shaped like a sesame seed. This bone is embedded in tendons. It protects tendons by helping them overcome compressive forces. In our human body, we can find the sesamoid bone in a wrist and in the knee. Examples of sesamoid bone includes the pisiform bones of both wrists and patella of both knees. Total 4 sesamoid bones are present in our body. The last one is irregular bones. It is one that does not have any easily characterized shape and therefore does not fit any other classification. These bones tend to have more complex shapes. It protects internal organs. We can find the irregular bones mainly in the hips, vertebra, skull and ears. Let's see the examples of irregular bones. First is hyoid bone, which is 1 in number. Then vertebral column. In the vertebral column, 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 1 sacrum and 1 coccyx. Then hip bones, that is 2 in numbers. Then skull and facial bones. Temporal 2, ethmoid 1, sphenoid 1, zygomatic 2, maxilla 2, mandible 1, inferior nasal concha 2 and palatine 2. And the ear bones includes malleus 2, incus 2 and stapes 2. So these are the 48 irregular bones in our body. Thank you for listening. If this video is useful for you, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, or you can follow my Facebook page NG's Corner for Nurses. And if you want to give any suggestion, then you are welcome to comment.